Hello everyone and welcome back to SR Chronicles. In today's Linux tutorial we are going to learn about ZCAT command in Linux. The ZCAT command is a very useful utility that allows you to view content of the compressed file without manually extracting them first. If you ever work with log files, backup files, archived data, large compressed report, then ZCAT can save you a lot of time. So what is ZCAT? Normally when a file is compressed using Gzip command, you need to decompress it before viewing the contents. However, what if you only want to quickly read the content? There where ZCAT comes in. The ZCAT command displays the content of compressed file directly to standard output without permanently uncompressing the file. Let's create some file, cat, users list. Let's add some users. Jane, Kate, Sydney, and add something like this, yes? Cat user list, and we see output. Let's compress our file with Gzip user.list. The files become user.list.js. Instead of extracting the file, we can view by ZCAT. ZCAT user.list.js. The file remains compressed, but we can see the file content. Why use ZCAT? Benefits of ZCAT: no need to extract files, save disk space, faster troubleshooting, great for compressed log, useful in scripting and automation. Let's create another file, echo docker to up.list. Okay, let's compress it with Gzip up.list. You can view multiple compressed files. Execute zcat user.list.js and up.list.js, and we see the output. This is useful when analyzing multiple compressed files together. -F option allows ZCAT to work with regular file as well. Create normal file, echo Linux tutorial, adding tutorial list. Now, let's view it without compressing with Gzip. ZCAT -F tutorial. ZCAT -F, and we see output. This makes ZCAT behave similarly to cat command. So cat and ZCAT -F do the same. Large files can produce huge output. You can use ZCAT user.list type more. This display output page by page. Also, you can use pagination with less. So you can use ZCAT users.list type less. This is commonly used by Linux administrators. How you can display compressed file information? You can use -L option. So ZCAT -L and our compressed file. Information display: compressed size, original size, compression ratio, and original file name. This is original file name, this is ratio, this is uncompressed file size, this is compressed file size. To suppress warning messages, you can use ZCAT -Q users.listjs. -Q option suppresses warning messages, useful in automation scripts. Now we inside var log directory, and you see here a lot of files, log files with compressed type, and as well as without compressed. One of the most common uses of ZCAT is viewing compressed files. So ZCAT Let's see kernel logs. And we see kernel logs. Let's clear our screen. You can use with more, enter, 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 Q to exit. You can use with less, enter, 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 or Q to exit. You can use pagination. How you can search inside compressed file instead of extracting files. First, you can use ZCAT kernel log.3.js with grep error or -I error. So you see the output, very useful for troubleshooting. Only display the lines where we have error word. Let's count line in compressed file. We see -L. This is the number of files inside this compressed file. Oh, the ZCAT command is simple but powerful Linux utility that allows you to view compressed files without extracting them. It is especially useful for large load analysis, system troubleshooting, storage efficient file viewing, automation script. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this Linux tutorial, don't forget like, subscribe, follow SRE Chronicles for more tutorials. Thank you.